everyone! Yo, bitch. You see? It's too early. People here. Stupid! Good morning, guys. So for today's video, I just want to share you something like, for me, it's funny and disgusting. So, I'm renting a room, right? So, in that house, we are 4 girls. 4 girls. That's only a girls' rooms. It's not, boys are not allowed over there. And then, so, it's like in the middle of the night. So, I'm sleeping like 2, 3 a.m. I'm sleeping, right? My roommate, like legit like beside of my room, she came back to the house with her boyfriend. So I heard them laughing, going upstairs, right? So I woke up because I'm so easy to woke up, like movement, a little bit of noise, I'm gonna be awake and I'm not gonna go back to sleep after that. So what happened? So they went in their room. Oh my gosh, all I hear after they closed their room, oh my goodness, I'm just like, oh my gosh, no way, really? And then what I do, I just like do this, like trying to hear more, right? Oh my gosh, I hear the girl, like, you know, her thing, her moaning and everything. Oh my gosh, both of them, mostly the girl, my roommate. I'm just like, oh my gosh, and then I can sleep. And then for me, it's funny. That's the first time that happened to me in my life. And just like, oh my gosh, like, girl, you know that you have a roommate, just a little bit quiet, but you don't care. That's what I'm saying, like, people here don't care. Me, I can do that. I cannot do that. Close your mouth at least, you know. That's crazy. And then after that, I go back to my job, and then I tell everybody, not tell everybody, I told my colleague what happened, what I hear. It's just so funny. So yeah, I have more story about my room, like my roommates before, right? But I moved out to that apartment because some of bullshit. So I'm gonna tell you next time on my video. But yeah, that's my funny story today. All I hear, like, oh my gosh, like, crazy. I cannot.